Webe. I'm off ya.
Why are you seated here alone crying?
Neka, no.
Thank you, Mama. You have not answered my question. Why are you crying?
Crying? I'm not crying.
Mama, you are crying, no.
We're going to drop the firewood and come. Oh?
Can't go to the farm and do something.
Devil. You are calling devil. You are calling devil. We will see devil today. Let's go.
Oh yeah.
Move fast now.
Move.
Exactly. Yes.
I will hit you. Come on, move.
Don't allow him to run away.
Try it. Okay. Not only you, but the entire village will hear.
Exactly. Now you reach the go. Thief. Thief. You will see devil today. Move. Don't allow him to run away.
You are a cheap thief.
Thief. Oh yeah, move. Thief. Criminal.
Igwe, may your reign be long. Igwe came to make a report against this young man here. Able-bodied young man, physically strong, mentally sound. Meanwhile, his mates are all in the farm, making use of their life, being productive to this community. All he could do is to go and steal this woman's pot of soup. That is why I brought him here, Igwe.
Atanowa, Naka, you! Hey!
Igwe, please, my king, temper justice, mercy.
Temper gini. Digi, Ezeonu, Olofe. Hey!
Yes, Igwe.
Please forgive me. I don't know what came over me.
What came over? Chiwakwa aga ọnụ dị a. Onye ori.
No.
Mmiri ya ezoghị n'anya.
Don't know what came over me.
Stop, please.
People of Umunoke, I urge you to give us a little time. I'll be back.
Naka. Ngwa gị na-enyo gị enyo. Anya rọghị mma. Tutu pịọmpịọ. What are you doing?
I drag it easy, please, you okay?
You know I am a man of integrity and I like justice.
That I know. But the victim here is my brother. Please, Igwe, don't do that to me, please.
I know. But nobody is above our customs and tradition.
Igwe, please. You are the king, my husband. The crown of my head, I beg of you, please. You have the final say. Whatever you say stands. Please save my brother from this shame.
Sorry to disappoint you, woman. Justice must prevail. You all know that in this kingdom, anyone found stealing must provide 6 goats and 20 tubers of yam, or face punishment from this kingdom.
Next time you just do it.
That serves you right.
That is my judgment. You may all now leave.
Igwe asị m akwụkwọ na awụrọsị nwanne.
Mama, I insist. Let me help you and cut it.
I don't want your mother's trouble.
Oh, Mama, I insist. Let me help you and cut it. Let me help you. Thank you. Thank you. Neka! Neka! Neka, what are you doing? Can you feel me? Why are you helping this childless woman to cut firewood?
Hey, Mama, why are you calling her names, eh? I was only helping her to cut the firewood.
Shut up! Shut up! Never mind. Oh. You are forcing my daughter to cut wood.
I didn't ask her to help me. She just decided to.
She just decided to. On your mommy, she just decided to.
Let me tell you. You see these children? Do not give them happy. I suffered though. I really suffered to give birth to those children. Of course, you will not understand. Because you've never had a child. Don't give them hard work. Because when the time comes still for trouble, you will not be there.
Oh. It's because...
Because of what? Because of what? See, if you create problems for me, In the night, I will stay awake with them, taking care of them. While you'll be sleeping around, going to look for a husband to sleep with you. Because you won't even be able to sleep. Because it will be like sleeping with a fellow man. Eh? Look at you. See, we are married to the same man. Beg him, ask him, live with him to give you your own children. Because he has already given me mine. Eh? Oh, this is the thing you do that irritates me. Every small thing I say, eh? Do you think your tails are colorful or what? Or I think you're boy multiple. Chai. See this woman, Otosi, you irritate me. Otosi, you irritate me. Don't ever get close to any of my children. Anything neku. When you see of man, anything neku. Because then cook you wabara promo biko. Nonsense. Neka, if you go next time, if we didn't have one more time, hey.
Woman, it is done. Take this. Put it into your water whenever you want to take your bath. Do it 4 market days.
Thank you, great one. I will do as you have said. Thank you.
You can rise and go. It is done.
Thank you, great one. Thank you.
Uhuluchi Mwamakabie.
You used my pot to fetch water.
Hey, Millie.
You want to infect my pot with your barrenness? Aha! By the time my children will get married, they will just be like, don't touch my pot again.
Lady, what is the meaning of this? Huh?
Meaning of what? Are you not barren? Are you not barren?
See, because I used your water pot to fetch the water that everybody in the compound will use. Is that why you're calling me names?
But are you not barren? Are you not a piece of wood in this house? Yes, Otosi. If you want children, tell our husband to give you children. Yes! Hey, there's nothing there.
Okay. All these things you're doing to me. Osebuluwa is watching you.
Of course he will watch over me. Osebuluwa, they've involved you in this situation. I know you love me. That is why you gave me children. If you love that Osebula, you would have given her children. But you see, Osebula doesn't love you. So stop calling Osebula. Every minute you just keep crying. It's so irritating. In short, let me leave you and go because let me go.
Hey. Oh. Atamafuna me. Atamafuna me.
Ndidi Amaka. Ndidi. How'd you go? How'd you go? How'd you go?
Called me man, woman again. Is that why you're crying? Okay. Very soon the gods will answer our prayer. You have a child of your own. And all these men calling will be over. Okay. Go with me. Mother, my lovely wife, where have you been?
I went to Scotland. Please let me to do it.
You had me worried. You had me worried. I suspect all is normal. Tell me what is wrong with her.
No. How can all be well when a woman like me has a midnight marriage? No, excuse me.
How long will you continue like this?
For as long as I'm no longer called woman, man, or tortoise.
But crying will not solve the problem. You just have to be strong for me. Because
Tell the gods to give me a child of my own.
stop crying. Stop crying. Wipe your tears. The gods will answer our prayer.
Chimo, Chimo, Chimo.
Chai. Chimo, Chimo, Chimo,
Neka.
Are you not ready yet? I thought we agreed on going to the farm together today.
I know.
Let's go now.
Neka, what a barren woman like me should be thinking about is how to make children, not going to the farm.
Are you saying we are not going to the farm again today?
No. Moreover, your mother might return and start looking for you.
Ma, I've told you to forget about my mother. All she can do is talk, shout. Forget about her. Anyway, since you have changed your mind about going to the farm, let me go inside and drop my basket. Oh?
Neka. Man, Osebolo will bless you for me. Thank you. Darling. Am I dreaming?
Lily, you are not.
You even know my name. Who are you?
Knowing who I am is not as important as solving your problem, child. I know what you want.
I need a child. I need a child of my own.
Like I said earlier, I already know your heart desire. And it might interest you to know that your cry has been stopping me. And I'm here to grant your wish. But on one condition.
Anything, just name it. I'm tired of being a laughing stock.
I shall give you a child. But on no account must you or anyone call her water girl. The day you do, she will return home to where she belongs.
No, never. No, nobody will ever call her that.
You must take good, I said very good care of her. And you must not deprive her of anything. I said anything.
I'll do as you have instructed.
You can go. Your wish has been granted. Because you are a good and a faithful woman. Go! Go!
Dijamaka, my beloved wife, tell me what is making you happy this morning. Huh? Oh, they went to the farm. Forget them. Please tell me what it is.
I had an encounter with the goddess, and she promised to give me a child.
What are you talking about?
I am serious. But she said that on no account must anyone call her a water girl. That if such a thing happens, she'll go back to where she came from.
Then what are we waiting for? Let's go and do what is expected of us.
Hey! Let's go.
Did you imagine?
Hey! Hey! What is actually wrong with her? Are you sure she will be well again?
She's alright. She's only passing through what I call human sickness. Yes.
What do you mean by that?
Mazi Jerome, your wife is now pregnant.
It's a lie. Are you sure of what you just said?
Mazi Jerome, I've been doing this work since I was a teenager. I can swear with my life. She is pregnant.
The gods have finally answered my prayers and that of my lovely wife. Hey, the gods are wise. The gods are wise. Eh? Okay. Did you ever go to me?
Oh, Mama. Hey. It is well. It is well.
Eh?
Mama, why are you doing all this for me? Come on, you deserve to do more. Eh? I wish I could do more for you, my lovely wife. Adugo! Adugo! When this child is born, this is supposed to be a boy. As our cousin is Jabaji. I am positive it's going to be a boy.
Papa, what is the baby you say? What will you call her? What other name if not my name is Yamaka? But Mama, why don't you call her Ada? But no, this way is not a bad name. What do you think?
All these names are okay. But let's just wait till we see the gender of the child before we know which name to give him or her. Otigo, when will you allow this girl to enjoy 1 minute of peace in this house?
You're a wicked man. You're a wicked man. I beg you why you sat here and said you should name this thing coming Ada. Who is the Ada? She's Ada. This one doesn't even deserve a name. Eh? Your mates are busy in the farm. Now, you're here. Mapuru cook on no aqua. Mapuru, Makana, you is again our favor. Eh? Mapuru. Oh, sorry, Baba, for me. Eh? Oh, sorry. Oh, that's how you define me. No, never Mapuru. no ne wani we.
Kabu to kwala ka wanya na ipo. Wanya na ipo kwala.
Hey, Nne. I'm so happy. Finally, you are going to have a child to call your own.
First, I have to thank Osebulowa, who made this possible. Lest I forget, are you hungry? If you are, I have onubu soup that your father made before going out for hunting.
Don't worry, Mama. I'm fine. Thanks, all the same. Ndidi. So, because you're pregnant for the first time, there will be no peace in this compound, okay? Eh?
Ini Edo, what are you talking about?
Oh, you want to know what I'm talking about? I will tell you what I am talking about. See, you think that because you're in this condition, everybody should serve you like a queen. The mother people go before you. So now you feel you're a queen. But for your information, you can get my husband to do anything you want. And at frontier, let me tell you, don't you ever try it with my children. Do you understand what I'm saying? Nonsense. Which one is, what hair are you picking? What pocket are you picking? Picking what? Will you go inside? Let me pick small. Deliver this baby, let it touch your hair. Belly them. Hi. How many times have you put like that night? Stupid girl. Go back there again and see what I will do. Mama, why did you do that? You what? You're very stupid to ask me such a question. Mama, you and I know that you're just being wicked for nothing. Oh, do you know you're not intelligent? Let me tell you something. By the time she delivers that baby, your father will share everything he owns into two. And so what? Did you just... Obuleke, you don't know anything. Big for nothing. Mama, it's not good though. What is not good? You're very stupid. Oh, come on, go and look for something to do. Hey, not there, come back here. Inside here. Look at how she's crying.
Abalaze nwoke ike. Ojela uchichi. Anya njafu ụzọ. Abalaze nwoke ike. Woman, what is it you see? Say it before Abalaze, for he is listening.
I want you to give me a charm that will make my husband's wife lose her pregnancy.
Abalaze nwoke ike. Why do you want her to lose the child?
You see, my husband has been taking care of his wife ever since she got pregnant. He doesn't even have time for me anymore. And I'm afraid I'm going to lose my home. So, I need to do something really fast before I end up alone.
There is nothing difficult for you to do. Take it. Put it in her food. Make sure you don't make any mistake.
I will not.
I repeat, make sure you don't make any mistake.
I will not. Inside her food.
Yes. You can go.
Thank you, thank you.
Abalanze is with you.
I'm back.
No. Welcome. Oh?
Thank you, ma.
Oh.
Hey, Mama, I can see you are done cooking.
I have finished. Come on, because I know you are hungry.
I'm very hungry. Oh, let me drop my pot. I'll come and eat.
Oh,
Mama, Ndewo.
Ndewo. Yaba! Where are you going? Ebekineje?
To eat, of course, Mama.
To eat what?
Food.
Did I tell you that I did not keep food for you inside my hut? Eh?
Mama, I was there when she started cooking this one. Let me eat this one.
Usabuleke! Usabuleke, Fable. No, you're not jailing me. You're waiting for someone to kill you, but that person will not be me because I'm your mother. Tell someone almost and go inside the hut and eat.
Mama, it's not good though. It's not good though.
Osa neki rani. You cannot talk jenu na marifo puta. Na marifo jieme. Onye ki na ene. Ne ko nenu jie. Nenu jiji na eli. Anya mkpulu okpa. Okay. Come on, go inside there and eat the apple that I kept for you. Tell you any about apple gebunwa.
Chai. Chineke. So what this useless Dibia gave me did not work after all. Nenafia. Her tongue is gradually taking shape every day. Now I know what to do. There must be a way. I think I know what to do.
Woman, mind your words before Abalanze will get angry with you.
Let Abalanze get angry. Yes! He couldn't even perform. Eh? Inasima Abalanze, I am very angry myself. You tell me I go to some other place.
Woman, every problem has a solution. There is nothing too hard for Abalanze to do. Calm down. That child will never see the daylight. That child can never be born.
That is not what I want to hear. What I want to hear is that the child is gone. Inasim will. That child will.
Abalanze won't kick him. Abalanze won't kick him. Ojoka zoku. Ojako zoku. Mba jebanu. Abalanze won't kick him. Mba jeba.
What is it? What is it?
The baby.
The baby? No. Run and go and call the midwife immediately.
Okay, Papa.
Tell her to come immediately.
Hey, Nendo. Hey.
Come with me. Instead of staying here, let's take a walk. Come. Can you get up? Oh, sorry. Hey.
Wait.
Come. Hey, no, you're double. Come.
Hey.
You'll be fine. And the walking will help you. Sorry.
Leave me.
I should leave you. But you're hurting.
Sorry.
Hold me.
Okay. You said leave you.
Hold me. Stop talking.
Oh, thank the gods they are here.
I can't even walk again.
They are here.
I can't.
I can't
walk again. No. I can't walk again. It is. Because it's not far from me. I can't do. Something is coming out. Papa. Something is coming out.
Mama, sorry.
Midwife. This baby.
I'm holding.
Come on, Dilapa, come on. Why? Push.
Don't.
Come on, Dilapa, very well now.
Offering it on
Dikeh.
Sorry.
Why? Baby's coming. The baby's coming. Yes.
Mama, sorry.
Eno wa bodele inda onya no sionaba. Onya namo. Neka. Oh, stop opening the box. Who is chasing you?
Somebody's chasing me.
No, again, is it?
Hey, Mama, is the name Didio?
Okay. Has she died? Has she died?
No, step back of it. Hey, Mama, she just delivered a batty baby girl. Hey!
How? When? How is it possible? No.
Mama, I'm going back there. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.
Neka! Come back here! Neka! Hey! I wasn't a bouncing baby girl. Hi! Is it possible? And look at how this one is shouting. She's so happy, as if it's her mother that delivered a baby girl. Well,
Mba, why is wrong? You see, this your balance that doesn't work. I trusted you, I believed in you, and this can't balance it. You're just a total disappointment. People disappointed me, or this more company disappointed me. Yes.
Woman, what are you talking about?
What do you mean, what am I talking about? In spite of all the charms and everything you gave me, that child has been delivered.
Are you sure you did what I told you?
I carried out every instruction accordingly. This thing does not work.
Abalance and walk ike. Abalance and walk ike. Ochela mu. Ona nja fu uzo. Ojo ka so ku abalance and walk ike. Hey. Woman. That child is not an ordinary child.
Upe.
Go home.
I am going because there's nothing here.
There is nothing I can do.
Nothing here to be done.
Go.
Anabagom.
Anna.
Now tell me, who was that girl you were looking at lost when you were coming?
Ma, was that why you almost broke my neck back there?
Come on, will you shut up your mouth and answer my question? Are you crazy?
Mama, I don't know her. Eh? This is actually the first time I'm seeing that girl. Maybe she's living around the neighborhood.
Are you sure of what you're telling me? The look on your face is telling me that you are lying.
Mama, how can I be lying to you? Huh? Besides, why are you so concerned about the way I look at this girl? Are you not the one that is always telling me, Anna, I need my grandchildren. Are you not the one that is always saying?
It's okay, my son. It's okay, I will not disturb you about it again, okay? I will not disturb you again. Oh yeah. Why is it you go pray?
Ọ na-abụ oke dibịa tụọ aja, ọ dịka onye mmụọ n'ọnụ. Mmụọ na-emere m ihe, odudu, kunie ka izu ọkụ, kunie ka izu n'ahụ a, eji emekwa ya eme, eji agakwa aga. Hey! Woman, what do you want Atakata Abuo to do for you?
Wise one, I want you to give me your strongest charm. I want Chekupe dead as soon as possible.
Hey! Oji ajabia, aja. Anwụ na-esi. Hey! Who is this Chekupe?
One stupid girl. She's my husband's wife's daughter.
Mmụọ na-emere m ihe kunie polite ka ọ pụta ka ahụ onye nwa. Woman, is that the girl?
She's the one. She is the one.
Odudu, ejiri m oke aja bịa, aja isi mmadụ. Ije eri, ebutere aja. Ewu. Take this. The substance inside it, sprinkle it where she will pass and match on it. Once she does that, she is finished.
Wise one. Thank you.
Hey! Why natural aja? Woman,
Wise one.
are you not forgetting something?
Forgive me, wise one. Here. I have to be on my way now.
Ah. You're welcome, my lovely wife. What took you and my daughter so long?
We just wanted to finish the little portion.
And now that you're back, it's okay. I left a bush meat in there. Ask your daughter to use it to fix pepper soup for me. Thank you.
No, I got it from my farm. It's not good for you.
No problem. Let's go.
Why are you like this woman? Huh?
To yourself. You're very stupid. Let me warn you. Let this be the first and last time you disclose your whereabouts or anything to anybody. Do you understand what I'm saying? If you try it, what I'll do to you won't like it. Because Chambula for Chalum News or Kangafe. Stupid.
Mama, you never change.
Mbano. I'll give you a change.
I can see you are working so hard. My name is Yoke the Hunter. Please, may I know your name?
I'm sorry, I can't tell you my name.
Why? All right. Can I help you with that wedding?
No, thank you. I've been doing this for some time.
Very well then. I hope to see you again, friend.